So as the elections have wound up and the heat and dust of the campaign trail is behind us, Khabar Lahariya, Bundelkhand newspaper run by women, brings you a taste of the elections quite literally from the dhabas and chopals along the way.
We've noticed that a lot of election coverage involves television journalists stopping at local chopals and dhabas to discuss voting choices, with the camera often zooming in to show us the paneer, tandoori roti, the occasional pakoda that they eat with their chai. But this food fair, we assure you, is no Bundelkhand idea of particularly local cuisine. So while we wait for the results to come in, allow us to take you from the chopper heights straight to the hot kadhai to show you how to liven up your chai pe charcha for the next elections with some real Bundelkhandi treats. Here's the mangod, a circular pakoda and tikka made from moong, a pulse grown both as a kharif and rabi crop, here in Chitrakoot district of Uttar Pradesh.
कहाँ के लोग आते हैं?
बहुत दूर के आते हैं, बनारस से,
At Dhatu Raha Mishthan Bhandar in Chitrakoot, a delicacy made from a milky byproduct, the khoi ki jalebi is the most popular with locals. Remember, a Lok Sabha question asked by a Bundelkhandi MP recently was on including dairy farming as part of employment generation schemes. So when you eat this local sweet, you actually help satiate local livelihoods more than you think. And if you head to Banda, a once cantonment town with its own Nawabi history, just opposite the Maheshwari Devi Temple Chauraha, puja might drift seamlessly into Pet Puja here, with the Balu Shahi special at Bhoramji Halwai.
तमाम दुकानें हैं बांदा में, बाहर भी हमने खाई, लेकिन जो दुकान का स्वाद हमको यहाँ बालू शाही का स्वाद जो यहाँ मिला है, वो कहीं नहीं मिला, इसलिए हम ऑफिस छोड़ करके यहाँ आते हैं बालू शाही खाने के लिए।
हेलीकॉप्टर से उड़ते हुए नेता और रिपोर्टर जमीनी हकीकत से बहुत दूर बुंदेलखंड की खुशबू का मजा देती हुई मैं कविता, पत्रकार, खबर लहरिया।